Good afternoon, year 12. Before we start, the first thing we must do is our topic taken based on the linear algebra. So topic is solve for the missing value. That is our topic today. So before we start with the warm-up activities. What are the activities? Find the value of x. Okay, the warm-up activities here, the main idea here we need to find the value of x. So I leave this to you to calculate this because it's common sense. And I know you understand from the previous, maybe year 11, year 10. But today I need to remind you. Let your mind flow before we start to go through our topic today. Okay, there are two learning outcomes. At the end of this lesson, students are able to understand the meaning of linear equation. The linear equation is formally expressed form with this ax plus b is equal to 0. A is the constant value which means any value, maybe 1 or 2, 9 or 10 or any different values. Also, let it be the constant value. But in the linear equation, also always equal to 0 in order to find the value of x. Step 2. At the end of this lesson, also students are able to solve any problems about the linear equation. So there are 3 steps about this topic to find the form, or to solve the missing values. The first step is expand the bracket first. The second is collecting like terms. The third step is define. And the fourth step is to divide both sides with the coefficients of x, or isolate the value of x. These are the 4 steps on this topic. Okay, let's do our example here. Okay, our example here is solve for x. Our equation is x minus 5 is equal to 3x minus 1. So this is our equation or example. The first step, we must expand the bracket first. So if this x minus 5, multiply the outside value with the inner values. So 3 multiplied by x give you 3x. And 3 multiplied by negative 1 give you negative 3. The second step here is collecting like terms. Collecting like terms means all the x value on the other side and the value of O on the other side. But the rule for this is when you take this number to the other side, over the equal sign, then the sign must be changed. Okay, let's do this. Same part is collecting like terms. So, x, when you move 3x to the other side, then it becomes it changes the sign because it's moved over the equal sign. So when you move 3x, positive 3x to the other side, it gives you negative 3x. Is equal to negative 3. When you move negative 5 to the other side, over the equal sign, also the sign was changed. So when you move negative 5 to the other side, it's become positive 5. Okay, the first step is simplifying. So when you simplify this, x minus 3x, it gives you negative 2x, is equal negative 3 plus 5, it gives you positive 2. So the last step is isolate x by dividing both sides with the coefficient. Okay, in this, we make x a subject. We need to find the value of x. So we divide the coefficient of x, which is negative 2. Divide both sides, negative 2, and also the other side. So now isolate negative 2 divided by negative 2. Okay, this one we can solve it because it's 1. So x is equal, when we divide positive 2 divided by negative 2, negative, positive, negative. So negative 1. So this is our example for this topic. So for x, we need to find the value of x, and our answer is negative 1. Okay. Any question about this example? I think you know, I hope you know and understand this one. So let's move on to our activities. The first one, 2x divided by 4 is equal to 0. Okay, I give it to you to do this maybe 3 minutes, and I leave this to you to do. Maybe you can do in groups, in parts, or you can do with your own. Okay, I give you 3 minutes. And then we go through the answer. So give you 1 minute. Okay, we start. The example here, you make x, find the value of x, y, and z. Because 1, find the value of x. Question 4, find the value of z. And question 2, find the value of y. So let's do it together. Number 1, 2x divided by 10, 4 is equal to 10. The first we must do it here. Multiply the denominator in this side to the other side. This is all the complex situation there. Okay, let's do it. 2x is equal to 4 multiplied by 10, it gives you 40. So, in this situation, we did not cover this. We just stick with this step 4. So we divide by 2, divide by 2. But our main idea is find the missing length, or find the value, missing value. So x, the 40 divided by 2, it's also gives you 20. Okay, our next question is 3 brackets y minus 2 is equal to 21. The first thing you must do is expand this bracket first. So 3, the value outside multiplied by the inner values inside the brackets. So 3 minus 3y is equal to y. 3 minus negative 2. Positive negative is equal to negative 6. Is equal to 21. Okay. Like terms, collect all the like terms here. So 3y is equal to 21. Move negative 6 to the other side. But when you move over the equal sign, then you must know that the sign must be changed. So negative 6 when you move to the other side, then become positive 6. So 3y is equal 21 plus 6 is give you 27. The next step is isolate or divide both sides by the coefficients of y. So we must divide by 3. Must divide by 3. Y is equal to 27 divided by 3. It's give you 9. So, the last question. The third question, 1, 2, 3. I leave it to you. You do this for your homework, and I check this next tomorrow. So if you have any question, just ask. But I know you will know the concept for this topic. So this is our lesson today, and thank you for your concentration. Thank you for listening. Okay, that's it from me. Thank you.